Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The US EIA crude oil stocks change will be released at 14:30 GMT. The US existing home sales at 14 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 14 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence adjusted at 4:30 GMT. Australia's Westpac leading index at 1 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold climbed to a new 5-week high, drawing strength from trade uncertainty and weaker US bond yields as investors continue to eye US President Donald Trump's August 1st tariff deadline. A 10% slump in the dollar in 2025 has come to the rescue of some major multinational US companies this earnings season, easing the sting from President Donald Trump's tariffs that have driven up costs and upended financial planning. SpaceX has moved 1,308 Bitcoin, worth approximately $105 million, in its first on-chain activity in 3 years. The movement was flagged by Arkham Intelligence, which tracks wallets tied to the company.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.5% against the yen. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. After a 1.3% dip during the last session, the gold-dollar pair closed with a 0.9% gain. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.